So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Winnie Home. And for today's video, I'm going to have a challenge. And that challenge is eating buffalo wings. So, without further ado, let's just get started. So, ito yung buffalo wings. Wait. So, ayan yung buffalo wings. And I have here this milkshake siya, chocolate fudge, and I have here milk for in case, diba? So, bali first time kong magta-try na to, and let's see kung gaano kaanghang ang buffalo wings. And I have here chopstick pala, and kunyari Korean. Anghang. In fairness naman sa buffalo wings, masarap siya. Kaya lang maanghang. Maanghang talaga. Pero kaya naman. Guys, kayayari ko lang na matapos yung buffalo, and here, ayan na siya. And maubos ko yung milk ko. And ito, ang ahang niya, grabe. Alam mo yung tipong maluluha ka na. Ang sakit nga ng ganiri ko oh. Tapos yung ahang niya nandito pa rin sa bibig ko. So, di ko alam kung paano ko aalisin yung anghang. And by the way guys, dito ko na-end yung vlog ko. Dahil sobrang anghang. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And do comment na rin para kung ano yung gusto nyo paggawa sa akin na challenges. And please follow me on my other social media account. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa baba. And thanks for watching. Bye!